Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at TVPayz. Now, I'm super excited to show you this product guys because this will allow you to create and host live TV channels. Now, in a nutshell, TVPayz is an Amazon Prime and Netflix affiliate-like website or TV channel. And this is your TV channel looks like, right? And the best part about this guys is that you don't need to create these videos. This is already done for you and your TV channel is fully loaded with 2 million plus done for your videos, right? And there are three ways to make money with this, guys, right? The first one is using banner ads. The second one is using Google video ads. The third one is Amazon Associate, right? This is your banner ads looks like. And when you click this video right here, guys, let me show you the video. And you play this video right here. Now, this is the second way to make money with this, right?
This is the
This
news.
is a Google video ads. Now the person watched this video and play these ads right here, and that's how you make money, right? That's the second way to make money. The first one is using this banner ads. When the person clicks on this banner ads right here, you make money if they purchase one of your affiliate product inside of your TV channel. The second one is using this video Google video ads. The third one, guys, is when the person clicks on this watch full movie right here, they will then redirect it to an Amazon where they can purchase one of these product right here related to the video that they watch right here. This is all about Jurassic, and the product right here is all about Jurassic. This is so powerful, guys, because you can create this affiliate TV channel, Netflix like on Amazon Prime website in just a single click using TVPayz right here. And I'm going to show you that later in this video. But before I'm going to show you guys how to create your own channel inside of this, inside of TVPayz, let me show you first my bonuses so you can get most out of TV channel and get great result, because that's the most important thing, guys, to get great result, right? My first bonus for you guys is I'm gonna give you all of my knowledge in a one-on-one live session. All right, you can ask any question that you want, and I'm gonna share with you what tools I use, what traffic I use. Now, this is all about affiliate marketing. If you have some questions about affiliate marketing, guys, and I can share all of my knowledge to you in this one-on-one live session. Now, no one else is gonna do this for you guys, because these other affiliates or gurus trying to sell you this product, they're not really care about your result. That is why I'm including this as my special bonus for you guys, so you can really get great result with affiliate marketing. So this is all about affiliate marketing, guys. If you have some questions, I can share to you all of my knowledge. You can ask any questions that you want, but I can only share the knowledge that I have. Maybe you have your own knowledge that I don't know, but I can only share the knowledge that I know, right? What method that is working for me, I can share that in this one-on-one live session right here. That's my bonus number one. Bonus number two, guys, is I'm going to show you guys how to bring in 15,000, right, to 600,000 monthly TVPayz website or TVPayz channel visitor to your TVPayz, right? Because if you don't have like traffic to your TVPayz channel, you cannot really make money with this, right? And that is why I'm including this bonus, so you can really make money with your TVPayz investment, right? And this is where my bonus number two comes in. I'm going to show you guys how to bring in 15,000 to 600,000 TVPayz website visitor without paying thousands of dollars, right? That's my bonus number two. Bonus number three, guys, is I'm going to give you access to a lazy traffic sniper. So this is a training on how to bring in free traffic as well and affiliate marketing. Bonus number four, guys, is I'm going to show you a case study on how to make $40 to $100 per day using free traffic. This is actually from my own experiences and from my own knowledge, guys. You cannot get this kind of bonus to anyone else, because other affiliates, they don't really care about your result. They're just giving away pillar products, right? And that is why these bonuses right here, guys, is custom crafted from my own knowledge and from my own experiences, right? That's my bonus number four. Bonus number five, guys, is I'm going to show you how I make $132 in just a single day using free traffic without any resources, without any help. I'm going to show you that in this case study right here, right? Bonus number six, guys, is I'm going to give you access to Genius TVPayz traffic application. It will give you free traffic to your TVPayz channel, right? Bonus number 7, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to TV Bifer, which is another TVPayz traffic generating app. This will also give you free traffic to your TVPayz channel. Bonus number 8, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to an affiliate marketing training course, which is 5-figure freedom. Bonus number 9, guys, is I'm gonna put your TVPayz link into my YouTube channel. And remember, guys, this is only for one person. That means, guys, you're gonna get an unlimited evergreen on demand traffic on demand using my YouTube channel, guys. And I don't wanna give this to hundreds of people. I just want to give this to a lucky one person. All right. Now I don't wanna, um, this is only available for one person, guys, right? So that's my bonus number 9. Bonus number 10, guys, is I'm going to give you access to 100 plus product bonus bundle. This comes with the pillar products that most other affiliates also give to you, right? Comes with affiliate marketing training, WordPress plugins, right? Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, right? I'm going to give you that in this 100 plus bonus bundle, right? Uh, this probably would, uh, include other affiliates products that are giving to you as a bonus, right, in this 100 plus product bonus bundle, right? That's my bonus number 10. Bonus 11, guys, is of course we don't forget all vendor bonuses, right? So those are all of my bonuses, guys, when you guys purchase TVPayz through my link down in the description of this video, which is the first link. And on top of that, guys, you're also gonna get access to, yeah, to all vendor bonuses. And I'm going to show you what are the vendor bonuses right here. So these are all vendor bonuses, and you can get access to this inside of your TVPayz account. Bonus number 1 is how make first $100 on the web. So, bonus number 2, the internet marketing online guideline, a gold mine. Bonus number 3 is 7 days profitable blogging kit. Bonus number 4, 1K a day. Bonus number 5, YouTube analytics. Bonus number 6, guys, WP single page builder. Bonus number 7, stock image blowout. Bonus number 8, Digimart. Bonus number 9, Gram machine. Right. Bonus number 10, FB Amazon store application. 11, WP buyer click. 12, FB secret buyer link. 13, WP YouTube video post. So those are all about vendor bonuses, guys, when you guys purchase TVPayz through my link down in the description of this video. And of course, my special bonus right here that is custom crafted. You cannot get this kind of bonus to either other affiliate that are selling you this product, right? Now, let me show you first how to create, right? Let me show you how TVPayz works and how to create your own channel. So basically, guys, um, once you log in your account, you can watch the video demo video right here. There's also a video tutorial right here if you're really confused on how to make the system to make this to create your channel. Now, but basically, you just need to click on create channel right here, and then you name your channel, and then you add in the description right here, guys. You upload an image, right? And once you do that, guys, just click on next, and then you click on publish right here. And then once your channel is ready, guys, you'll be able to watch you'll be able to view all the channels that you have right here. You can delete this, you can edit this right here, guys. And when you're ready to view your channel, you basically click on this. All right, and this is where you view your channel. All right. My internet's kind of slow, right? So this is your TV channel. Once you create your channel, it's super easy, guys, right? You don't need to have any technical knowledge to do this. It's just point and click, and you're good to go, right? So, and this is where you make money with this, guys. Just like I said, there are two ways to make money with this: using banner ads, Google Video Ads, and Amazon Associate. The first one is banner ads. Now, to create your banner ads, just click on your banner ads right here, and you'll be able to select what channel that you wanted to show these banner ads, and then where to show this banner, like top, main, and footer, and upload your banner right here. But you can just use Canva to do this to create your banner ads, and this is where I view all your banners right here, right? And this is where you edit your ads right here. When you edit your ads, this is where you put in your affiliate link, right? Whatever offer you wanted to promote, This is where you put the affiliate link right here, and you'll be able to click on submit, and that will submit your ads into your specific channel, right? The second one, guys, is this Google video ads. Now, inside of the training module right here, video tutorial, they're showing you guys how to get this Google code, so you can inject this code inside of your TVPayz, and you'll be able to, to make money using video ads inside of your TVPayz channel. Right here, when you play this video right here, there will be a video ads running, and you make money with that, right? The third one, guys, is using an Amazon, and this is where you set it up. Click on the settings right here, and this is where you get your ID, Amazon associate ID right here. And there's also a video tutorial right here showing you guys how to set up your your Google video ads, how to get your Amazon associate ID, and yeah, everything you need, guys, in this tutorial right here. They're showing you exactly. So this right here, how to set up your Google video ads, how to create your banner design. Guys, you can also use Canva for this. How to get viral traffic right here, guys, and then how to set up your Amazon associate account, and then how to set up your TVPayz. It's super easy. Everything is inside, included training right here, guys. You don't need to worry, guys, inside of this product right here, because it's so worth it, guys. Once you have the traffic, and once you use my link down in the description of this video, you're gonna get access to all of my amazing and custom crafted bonuses, guys. So you will gonna get great result uh, with your TVPayz channel. Alright, now when you click the link down in the description of this video, guys, this will take you to the sales page. It looks something like this. Now the headline says one click create and host live TV channels and get free targeted traffic in less than just 2 minutes flat. And I've already showed that how to easily create your TV channel inside of TVPayz, and you can make up to 489. You can make less than this, or you can make more than this. That depend on the traffic that you bring in into your TVPayz channel, and that is why I'm letting you guys access to my bonus, which can bring in 15,000 to 600 per month TVPayz website visitor, so you can really make money with your TVPayz investment. All right. Now I want you guys to read the information of the sales page. Watch this video right here. Now have an informed decision if this is something that can really help you guys out to make money online. Now this is just only $19, guys, and if you don't like the product, just refund your money, and still you'll be able to get all of my bonuses completely free of charge when you guys purchase the page through the link down in the description of this video. Now if you try to exit this page, guys, there will be a pop-up that will give you an additional you know $2 off. Just try to exit a page, and then there will be a pop-up that will give you an additional $2 discount, so you can get this for like $17 only, right? So read the information of the sales page, guys, do your own research and watch the video, so you can really have an informed decision if this is something that can really help you guys out. And when you guys purchase TVPayz through my link, of course you're gonna get access to this instantly inside of your Warrior Plus account. This document is waiting for you inside of your Warrior Plus account. And yeah, I think that will be in this video, guys, and thank you so much for watching my TVPayz review. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help you out when it comes to making money online and when it comes to getting great result with TVPayz. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Bye.